tidal wave. Crush these murderers, Your Majesty.
Every family must contribute one man to fight.
You're a war hero. You've already made many great sacrifices.
My father cannot fight, so I will take his place.
The northern invaders will kill her.
If I expose her, our own people will kill her. When we take the Imperial City, I will take revenge. For my father! What is your name, soldier?
Hua Jun, Commander, son of Hua Zhou.
You will now take the oath of the warrior.
Loyal!
Brave! True! Release!
You will die pretending to be something you are not.
Yet here I stand, proof that there is a place for people like us.
A girl threatens our plans.
A warrior.
You've been hiding something. I sensed it the moment I met you.
When they find out who you are, they will show you no mercy.
But only the most true will become a great warrior.
I will bring honor to us all.
Need a hand, little man?
Insult me again and you'll taste the tip of my blade.
Lower your sword.
What?
I'm your commanding officer. Fighting will not be tolerated, am I clear?
Yes, Commander.
With your voice, soldier.
Yes, Commander.
What is your name?
Hua Jun, Commander.
Is this your family sword?
It belongs to my father, Hua Zhou.
Fall in line.
The enemy is vast. They are ruthless and unpredictable. Yet, physical force need not be met with equal force. The enemy can be defeated. It will take everything you have. Remember this when you meet him on the battlefield.
I will never give up. I left home to take my father's place.
If her identity is discovered, she will be in great danger.
There is no courage without fear. I will bring honor to us all. I'm from Mulan.
There have been many tales
Of a warrior.
I'll protect her. You train hard, your spirit is evident, but something holds you back. It seems you've been hiding something.
I left home to take my father's place.
If her identity is discovered, she will be killed.
honor to us all. It is my duty to fight for the kingdom, to protect my family. I will bring honor to us all.
Citizens, we are under attack from northern invaders. Every family must contribute one man to fight.
I am blessed with 2 daughters. I will fight.
We must be strong. This time it will not return. It is my duty to protect my family.
Ancestors, please protect her.
What is your name? Soldier?
Hua Jun, Commander, son of Hua Zhou.
When they find out who you are, they will show you no mercy. I'm Hua Mulan. I will bring honor to us all.
Ancestors, watch over my daughter Mulan. If her identity is discovered, she will be killed.
My journey was impossible, but it is my duty to protect my family. I'm Hua Mulan. A good wife must be elegant, graceful, invisible. I know my place. I'm Hua Mulan. I will bring honor to us all.
Your Majesty, all trade has been disrupted in a coordinated attack. Every family will supply one man.
My father cannot fight, so I will take his place.
When they find out who you are, they will show you no mercy. I'm Hua Mulan. I will bring honor to us all.
Citizens, we are under attack from northern invaders.
The story of Mulan, her journey from village girl to soldier to warrior and hero is very, very real to people. So it's such an honor to bring her to life in a new way.
Every family must contribute one man.
I will fight.
The story of Mulan is inspiring to everybody. It opens up people's imagination.
She is a legendary figure. She represents many great Chinese values. Honor to the family, loyalty to the country. I think she's an icon.
The original ballad of Mulan was written in the 7th century and it's been told countless times. I love the animated version. It's thrilling to take some of the beloved sequences and make them happen in the real world.
Their leader calls himself Ori Khan.
We have 2 new characters, our villains, Ori Khan and Shenya.
When they find out who you are, they will show you no mercy.
They're putting every ounce of effort to get things right.
Every department did deep research to bring the best version of this legendary story to life.
It is my duty to protect my family.
Mulan means so much because of who she is. She's not a superhero. She's human. But she used her smarts, her quick-wittedness, her strong will to overcome her many challenges.
She's unique. She can do unbelievable things. And love is really the fuel for everything.
I'm so happy that we've been able to deliver an epic vision in a movie of this scale and scope and heart. And I'm so excited for audiences to experience it.
I'm Hua Mulan. I will bring honor to us all.